Okay, hello, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so most of you guys already know that the Nintendo Switch OLED has been released, and it's going for about $350 for this unit. But as of right now, there really isn't a whole lot of accessories for this product, specifically because the size is just a little bit bigger. So I kind of wanted to do a quick unboxing video of a protective case that I found on Amazon that looked promising. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But first, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and let's go ahead and do this thing. Okay, so here is my OLED at the moment. I got the Starry Nights. Well, first of all, I have the gray Joy-Cons on here. I took out the white ones and I put them in my other case, and then because I like the black, so gray just fit better with the black. And then I put the Starry Nights by Vincent Van Gogh painting skin on it as well, and then I have a clear protective case over it, so that way I can show off the Starry Nights. So that's what I'm working with right now. But for today, we're going to be unboxing a protective case that I found on Amazon that looked decent. So here it is. Okay. Looks like your typical black case, but you gotta be careful because with the OLED, you can't just get a regular switch case or protective case for it, because the back is different. The whole back is a kickstand now. So you have to get a case that's specifically for the OLED. Now a carrying case is different because they still kind of fit in there with your OLED in there, but I mean, with certain cases, it's going to be a much snugger fit. So you just gotta, be careful which carrying case you're going to be picking. And yeah, so if you're going to be getting a protective case, you definitely have to get something specifically for the OLED. So this is for Nintendo Switch OLED. As you can see there, it's got a cutout there for the kickstand. This is in black. Protective case, TPU protective case. It's got the logo up there, KJH. I will leave a link in the description for this below for you guys, in case this is something you guys want to check out for yourselves. On the back, it shows you what color you pick, which I picked the black. I guess they have a white version. I didn't see that one on there. Features: specifically designed for the Nintendo Switch OLED game console, made with high quality material, TPU. Perfect protection and durable. Enhance the hand feeling, shock resistance, and anti-broken nature. Patent product born for gaming. It says, attention, do not modify or dismantle. Don't clean it with organic substance. Don't put any heavy objects on the product. Don't place into hot water, moisture, or direct sunlight. Choking hazard, small parts, not for children under ages 3 years old. Okay, made in China. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like, okay? So the only thing that it doesn't come with anything at all except for the product itself. Don't know where my lighting went. There it is. Okay, so it only comes with the product itself here. It's got a foam piece in there to keep the form while being shipped. And here it is. Okay. It's got these, it's very flexible, just a rubber or a plastic case for it. It's not anything fancy. It's just gonna get the job done for you until you get, a different case once they produce more. So this particular product has got a little bit more for a handle on the sides here, as you can see. It's raised a little bit more than the actual switches, so that's very helpful. And it's got all your slots for all your plugins and speakers and all that. So it's got everything you need. It's very simple, very cheap. I believe it was $10 on Amazon. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for you below. So let's go ahead and try it on this. Okay, got my clear case off. Look at how awesome this Starry Night skin is. This skin is actually originally for the OG Switch. It also comes with the dock sticker. You could put the whole Starry Nights painting right on the front of your dock, and then it also comes with the Starry Nights back. But for this one, since it's the OLED version, you can't use it because it's different. This has got the whole kickstand, so it's not going to work. But I will leave a link for that in the description below for you, because it's still pretty cool whether you have the OLED or the OG Switch. So let's go ahead and put this case on. As you can see, it's a very simple design here. Nothing fancy. You literally just click it in, and I mean I could do that with my eyes closed. I didn't have to do anything. You don't have to really look. You know, it's not a very complicated put together. It's not 3 pieces, it's literally 1 piece. So it covers everything, as you can see here. It doesn't cover the front pieces obviously, but it looks pretty good. You know, it's gonna protect it if it falls anywhere. Not the fanciest, you know, product, but it will do the job for the meantime. So go ahead and check that out. The link will be below for you, and I will test this out for a little bit and I'll let you guys know how it is. But I don't feel like I'm gonna have any problems with this thing at all. It will definitely hold me over until I have a grip coming in. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also let me know how you were enjoying the Switch OLED, if you were able to pick one of those up so far. Alright, that's going to be it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.